This is Mom's Kitchen lesson on how to make black bean burgers, or black bean and beet burgers in this case. So we just have some things that we're going to need. We're going to need a half an onion, I have some leftover onion and some pepper. We're going to need a half a green pepper, half a red pepper, depending on what kind of peppers you want in there. We're going to chop them really fine. We have some garlic cloves. I happen to only have 2 left, so I'm just going to use these, but if you like more garlic, you can do garlic. You're going to need a large bowl. You're going to need your vegetarian refried beans or refried black beans, doesn't matter, whatever you like. A can of black beans. If you want to make them beet burgers, you can get a can of sliced beets or organic sliced beets. This happens to be a small can, but you can get the can that's the same size as the regular can if you want it to be more beety. These are some things that you could add. You could add chia seeds, you could add flax seeds, you might need a cup of brown rice, but that's for later because we only need those if it's not dry enough, if it's too wet. But the main binder is going to be a cup of oats. I'm using organic rolled oats. And then you're going to need a cutting board, a good knife to chop your onions, green peppers, and garlic fine enough to incorporate into the burger. And you're going to need a strainer to strain your beans because they have the liquid in the can, so you want to strain those before you start. And when I get to the actual making of it, you'll see what I mean. And then you need something to smush it all together. I like this tool, which you can get in a grocery store. You can also use this tool, which you might have with your set of tools, but I don't think you have it. This is a potato masher to make mashed potatoes. This tool is fine, but I like this tool better. If you don't have either of these tools, you can smush it around with a fork and knife, kind of like cutting through it. However you can do it to sort of break up your beans and incorporate all your stuff together. So these are our tools, and we're going to make the black bean burgers. We're going to make the mix, and then we'll make the burgers. Okay, see you in the next video.